Welcome to GRAHAs VR Storyboard Series. This episode features Focus. The year 1498 was so transformative for human history. That was the year Vasco da Gama arrives at Calicut, becoming the first European to enter India by sea. 4 bristle toothbrushes were invented in China in that same year. On the 31st of July, 1498, Christopher Columbus discovers the island of Trinidad in his third voyage. All of these were some of the definitive moments in the human history. But there was one other great moment, which remains underappreciated, when humans were inventing brushes in one end and discovering new nations in the other end. There was one man who was focused on designing a flying machine in 1498. He was none other than the famous Italian polymath, Leonardo da Vinci. All of us have looked at birds in flight. But have we ever focused enough to look closely and see whether a bird moves its wings upward in the same speed as it flaps it down? Leonardo da Vinci was focused and observed this. Even as he was completing work on his legendary painting, The Last Supper, he had a strategy to refine his observation. First, define the motion of the wind, and then describe how the birds steer through it, with only the simple balancing of the wings and tail. Even though he couldn't build a flying machine, he designed a model of it, which became a reality 4 centuries later.
Focus has such a phenomenal effect. That's why our virtual reality-based training is 4 times focused than classroom-based training and e-learning combined. Support us in creating a skilled workforce of the future. Follow our social media handles to stay updated on future episodes.